Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Airtable ownership. All right. Now you have two options. First up, if you want a copy of this workspace, all right, you can go ahead and duplicate this one by clicking on this three dots, hit on duplicate. Now, if you want to include records and comments, go ahead and make sure that this slider is enabled. Now, once that's done, I'm just going to hit on duplicate base, wait for it. It's going to take a while depending on the record that you have on your particular base. All right. I'm just going to close this one, and here we have our copy. I'm just going to delete the other. Okay. Now I'm going to move it to the other workspace. If you don't know how to create a workspace, we have that in here at the top right. Okay. Click on the three dots, move base to YT workspace, move, and it's now here. Okay. Going back. Now, in order to transfer the ownership, you're going to want to click on share right here. Click on it. Invite by email. I'm just going to go ahead and type in this email. All right. If the email isn't here, don't worry. You can go ahead and just click on invite. All right. Just this one. All right. Make sure that here on the drop down, you have the owner selected. All right. Owner can fully configure and edit bases and manage workspace settings and billing. All right. Make sure that this one is selected. Once done, just click on invite, hit on OK. It says here successfully sent. Now we'll click on share again and manage access. Here we have two owners, right? Now you're going to want to select yours and remove. Okay. Remove. There you go. That particular workspace or base is now gone in our dashboard. Okay. So if you wanted to check it out, I'm going to open it up just for you to see. I'm going to open up Airtable right here. Like that. Remember, this is the account. Made for money. Okay. Now we'll go back to the dashboard. Here we have the base. Video project tracker. When I open it up, it has the same data. Okay. This one as well, same data. There you have it. We just successfully transferred an Airtable ownership. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.